Guys, I just got this awesome new dash cam for my car. So this is what it looks like in the box. Dash cam right here. And boy, do I love it. So it tells you all the cool features right here. Motion detection, night vision, wide angle, seamless recording, large aperture. Tons of different cool features. Inside the box is how it's looking. So here are the cameras itself. Look at this. It's got 3 lenses on it. A center lens and then 2 outside lenses, so you can really get a spider web view here. Pretty awesome. Can't go wrong with it. Tons of different buttons here on the top that you can use. Here's the mount, and you can suction right onto your windshield. And then it comes with the rear camera as well, so I'll show you how you get that rear camera kind of rolling. And then also, it's really easy to install. You just plug it into your car charger. So it comes with really easy instructions. So I'm going to go outside and get this onto my car, show you how it looks. All right, you guys, so here I'm in my car. Really easy to install. I'm going to set it about right here. All you got to do is clamp that, and boom, it's literally installed. See how easy that was? And you can tighten this. You can kind of angle it however you want. Right, for me, that works good because I can then do this really wide angle with these 2 different lenses. Point them right there, and you can really tighten this up, just like so. And now it's locked in. It's not going to move on you. So just like that, it's installed. Okay, so we just got it all plugged in and turn my car on. I'll show you this. It'll pop right on. Here we go. This is the first time we fired off the dash camera. So all you need to do now is just turn the power button on. And look at that, here we go. You can already see the super good angles here. I'll give you a good look at that. All right, so this is what the camera looks like. You can see here on the top side, there's 3 different, this one here on the left, you see my hand there, here on the right, it shows you that, and then right here's the main center camera. So you can see all 3 different angles, super wide angle, which is awesome. Here I'm on the back of my car, you can see how good the backup or the rear view camera is right there. That's what it's looking like. And then if I come around, you can see into the inside of the car, right there, there's all 4 of the angles, which is looking really good. Okay, so I just connected to the Wi-Fi. It's always called the F4 one, and then the password is just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So once you do that, you can then hop over to the app. You can hit add camera, and look at this. It's already been connected. It says please wait. It's currently on the backup camera. You can swipe through all the different cameras right here, which is awesome. There's that 4 look. You can go ahead and just like take a picture if you'd like. You can go to playback. All the different things. So I'm going to go on a ride, and I'll show you what it looks like after you go on a ride. All right, guys, check here my phone is. We just went on that ride, and I can literally, it gives you timestamps. So let me come back here, and we can look at all the different angles for while I was driving. I don't know, let's check this guy right here. So you can see right here, here's that side angle as I was driving, just like that. So super cool, and you can keep scrolling. Here's another side angle. Okay, here's that front angle as I'm backing out. So it works so well. There, I have the back camera in case I were to rear end me, something like that. So look at that, it's working super well. There's that other side camera there, all with timestamps and everything, so you can see all the footage as you are driving. I absolutely love it. It's all right here on my phone, and you can very easily just download it whenever you might need. Okay, so tons of good stuff on here. You can look at the snapshots you took, so I took a couple snapshots there, and then you can actually see it live too, the 4 different modes, which is awesome. One of my favorite things is you can actually do playback right here on the dash camera. You can see here, this is me backing up and then driving. You can literally just watch the clips right back on the dash camera instead if you don't want to use your phone or something like that. So it's super awesome. And you can see here I go driving back. You can see just how good this really works. So this dash camera is amazing. There's so many cool features, especially this awesome playback feature. All right, guys, so there you have it, dash camera. It was super easy to install. It's right there. I got the back one too, the rear camera. So I can't recommend this camera enough. It definitely makes a huge difference. So give it a try. I think you're gonna love it.